Can you hear that? I'm hoping next door got a good gate on their garden because there's a dog behind there and he don't like me and he sounds quite big. I'm back home, freezing cold. That was a nightmare. Took me an hour. The end. Everybody, how are we all doing? I'm on my way to a job in East Grinstead, which is about 40 minutes away from where I live in Brighton and Hove. I'm doing it for another locksmith actually, Danny Gardiner, that you might know if you're a locksmith in the UK. Me and Danny live fairly close to each other, so we give each other work as and when we can. But Danny's on another job, so he can't get to this one, so he's passed this one to me. Yeah, so it's to go and unlock a storage door for a guy that's attached to his house. He's lost the key. We're not sure what type of lock's on there at the moment. We presume it's a deadlock, but we don't know if it's a 3 lever or 5 lever or if it's high security or what, you know. So we're not going to know till we get there. So yeah, let's go and get this open for the guy and get a new lock on for him. Right guys, we've just got to this this cupboard. It's like a 3 lever sash lock, so that shouldn't be too bad. But can you hear that? I'm hoping next door got a good gate on their garden because there's a dog behind there and he don't like me and he sounds quite big. Right, first thing we do is take these handles off. Using one of these, flatted, always flatted to these other ones. I'll show you what's inside. I'm not sure you can ever see in there guys, but it's just a 2 lever. So I'm going to try and overlift these. Pretty easy. Right, let's get this open. Right, all I'm going to use is this homemade overlift. I've got the just quickly show you. I've got this set from Andy Mac. These overlifters, but I don't want to risk getting them wedged in there because it's only a 2 lever keyway, so they're sort of what's the word, warded. It's kind of like a warded keyway, so that's it. Right, that's that done. So we've just got to change a lock now. The best customers are the ones that make you a drink. Right, 2.5 inch sash lock to replace it with. So we'll rip this one out. Little tip there, what I do to get these out of the, well, any deadlock or sash lock, I always put a brad or screwdriver in the keyway or in the actual where the cylinder goes through, just pulling it that way. If you start getting a screwdriver under here, you're going to damage the door, so in there, put it. And his top tip. Right. Most of you guys don't know that. So, unfortunately, I don't have a chrome sorry, I don't have a brass sash lock, which was what was in there, so we're going for the which looks like it's a little bit bigger. Bit just to take out that bottom bit there, look. Annoying much. Got to change the handle of the spindle, the latch, sorry. So on this one, just those two little screws there. So we'll undo them, take the latch out, turn it around, put it back in, 2 screws. Lucky you noticed that, wasn't it? On the way up, I was listening to the radio, and literally as we pulled up here, the dial's late, so I cannot get it out of my head. You probably notice I do that a lot if you watch my channel. Right, let's go down to the tap. It's just a fraction, the key's just catching on it, so we'll just take a little bit out. Might as well just use a chisel, to be fair. Mate, if I hear
NDE, please. To number 2.
Yep.
Hello, sir. Hello. For
He's
you.
not only just giving me a coffee, he's got me a takeaway as well. What a legend.
If you do an order, I can bring you for a coffee. Yeah,
I'll be down here in a minute.
Right.
Cheers, mate.
You have a lovely day.
And you. See you, buddy. I thought that was for me. Not that I need any food at the moment. That doors on, and you see that, yeah, lock in there, bolts coming out, so a couple of screws in there, and adjust the key, put the new key on. Since I've been showing these on there, quite a few people asking about these centre ring drill bits, the spring loaded ones. They're so good, so good. Mark on the frame now where this hits. So that's the bottom of the bolt, top of the bolt, bottom of the latch, top of the latch. So just show you this. 4 marks: bottom of the bolt, top of the bolt, bottom of the latch, top of the latch. So you can see it doesn't work with the old keep that was on there. It doesn't line up. So we'll whip that off quickly and then put the new one on.
Back over there, keep messing me about, keep falling over there, so stand there. But, just a little bit of chiselling to do on this, on the frame, to get the keep in, and then should be it. Oh, still drinking my coffee. edge, just to allow for the curve of that. So it'll take a bit off the corner there. Let's try that, shall we? Might think I look different. It needed to go, didn't it?
That is this one done, guys. So see the bolt thrown over there. Lovely. Right, give these to the customer and we're all done. Well, there we go, guys. That was a nice, easy open. Yeah, I just used I used some overlifters that I made myself after watching one of Andy Mack's videos. I know there'll be some of you on here that know Andy Mack and I've already follow him, but if you don't, I'd encourage you to. If you're into lock sport, lock picking, man's a genius. Yeah, so yeah, and I watched one of his videos on how to make your own pick wires. So I bought the special cornering pliers, whatever you call them, and some piano wire, and made all those overlifters. I've got a set of Andy Mack's overlifters as well, which are way better than mine. Don't know how he even gets the angles at the end on the tips. It's just incredible. So yeah, Andy Mack makes his own tools. Brilliant lock picker. Lovely guy. Go over and support his channel as well. Thanks, Danny, for the job. Actually, let's put this to the test, Danny. You said you watch my videos. If you've watched this one, give me a little comment down in the comment section. A little test for you. But thanks for the job, mate. And see the rest of you guys later. I'm going to go home and grab some lunch now and see what else comes in. Thanks, guys. Good evening, guys. I'm on my way. It's not late. It's, what is it? £6:15. Just been sent a video from a customer that's locked out of their flat. They've got a night latch and the key's just spinning, not doing anything. It's very loose, so it's just obviously come away. The tail piece has come away, so it looked like, I think it was an outward opening door from memory. What I'll do, I'll try and attach the video that they've sent me so that you can see what I know. Yeah, but I think from memory it was an outdoor opening door, so might be able to airbag it, get in that way. But we will see. I'll see you there. Yeah, this is just how it's just spin into the tail piece. It's obviously come away. And so loose. Oh, this is the back plate. Unbelievable. It's just falling off. I'm gonna get some bigger screws in here and in here. Obviously tighten these up, and that should hopefully sort it out. But look how far back it is. That should be there. There's this one all done. 2 new keys as well cut. So we've got a new one in there. This is all solid now. I've screwed the back plate back, that's all solid. And so we've got 2 new sets for that one and 2 new sets for the main one. Is it not the best thing in the world ever? I love it. Right, that's all done. Oh God, I forgot you have to press and hold it. Yeah, so just a really loose night latch, like really loose. The everything was loose about it. So all fixed back, and then they asked me to cut some additional keys as well for the flat door. They're just guests. That's like an air host kind of apartment, so they're just staying there. But yeah, bless that little boy, crying his eyes out. I just wanted to go to bed. I think he was very tired. So yeah, but all done. I'm gonna go back home now. Thanks for watching, guys. Right guys, we are just going into this industrial estate car park, which basically is opposite my house. If I walked here, it literally takes 4 minutes, which is lovely. But a lady's locked her car keys in her car on a Skoda, so she's just been shopping in Lidl's, bless her. And yeah, locked her car keys, and she's panicking because her house keys are all in there and everything. So let's get her in her car, shall we? I'm back home, freezing cold. That was a nightmare. Took me an hour. The end.